How to buy items without credit card on Shein. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Yes, you can definitely buy anything from your Shein without a credit card. However, it is limited for certain region. Now to start off, launch a Shein application in your mobile device. Then select an item to purchase from your Shein. Once done, just tap on the cart icon, select on the item, then tap on Checkout. After which, begin with adding a shipping address. Now once you have successfully added your shipping method, on the shipping method you will see the payment method. Since you don't want to use your credit card, you can either select on the PayPal option or you can select on Buy Now Pay Later. Then you have two options for it as well. You can pay with an interest with afterpay or installment. Just select on any of the option that you prefer. After which, just tap on the PayPal option. Then you will have to log in into your PayPal account. Just use your credential. After which, you will see the deduction in your PayPal balance made through your Shein account. That is how you can confirm the purchase as well. Isn't it simple? So that is how you buy items without credit card on Shein. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.